I just got my new Osmo DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Ordered it from Sam's. They have a good price on it. Opened up the box already. This is the box that it comes in. This is the new one. Let's unbox it to see. What it looks like. It comes with the battery handle, 128 gig micro SD card. Probably came with the microphone too, but I guess not. So this is the additional charger battery. This is the SD card. Come out. Tells you what's in the box. The Pocket 3 handle, thread, Type-C charger cable, protective cover, wrist strap, Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle, which I got, and then the Canvas Go Plus card. I thought this one came with the microphone, but I actually ordered one from Amazon, and it had been open, so I sent it back, and that one came with the microphone, so maybe that's why I'm confusing it. But as you can see, this one has not been open like the one I ordered from Amazon. So didn't bring any scissors in here, so I'm gonna try to get this open with my fingernails. There we go. I hate ordering something that's been opened, especially when you pay this much money for it. Alright. Now another sticker. This is the camera, and all of your documents, and this is probably the charger, and the wrist handle. Yep, this is a charger, the bottom piece, the battery pack. The charging cord, the wrist cord, and that is it. And this is the camera. A little bit heavier than a cell phone, but it's not heavy. Comes in the case. Pop it out. Has something in the inside, I guess, telling you how to place it in there. And this is the lens, the screen, the buttons. The camera is here. Then, let's see these. This is the piece so you can connect it to an iPod. Connect it here for the additional. Let's see how you get it off. matte one. And then this one, I wonder what's the difference between those two. Maybe one's longer life. Because I think this is both of them are battery handles. Yeah. Guess the one is longer life than the other one. I have to read up on it to see. Or you just get an additional battery. And yeah, that's it. Alright, gotta read and see how to actually make it work. I don't know that, so don't want to start pressing buttons without reading it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Alright, I have watered this in really good for 2 days, and I gave it some fishing motion, so now it looks like it has come back to life. After it looks like it was dying, we have some more buds at the top, and we also have flowers coming in on it. So that's a good sign now. That's the first album had died off. And we have the Armenian cucumber here. It is almost has reached to the fence. Well, actually it has reached to the fence now. So we have that in there that's growing. So can't tell it from the melon, but we do have both of them in here growing. And they look good, if I don't say so myself. And here, there, we have the cucumber, the Armenian cucumber. Looks more like a watermelon. There we go. There is the cucumber, right there. And it looks almost like a watermelon to me. So, yeah, there we go.